This is a story of an adventurous couple, Sarah and Mark. They were always up for a good thrill and loved exploring the great outdoors. One sunny day, while wandering through a thick forest, they stumbled upon a hidden cave. They were instantly intrigued and decided to check it out. "Hey, Mark! Look over there! A hidden cave! Let's go explore!" Sarah exclaimed with excitement. Mark grinned and replied, "Wow, Sarah! That looks like a thrilling adventure. Let's see what secrets this cave holds." With their hearts pounding, they entered the dark and mysterious cave. The air turned chilly, and they could barely see a thing. Mark held up his trusty flashlight, casting eerie shadows on the damp walls. "This place gives me the creeps, Mark. I have a weird feeling about it," Sarah said, a hint of unease in her voice. "Don't worry, Sarah. We'll stick together and be just fine. Let's keep going and see what we find," Mark reassured her. As they ventured deeper into the cave, their excitement mixed with a sense of trepidation. The narrow passageways made them feel claustrophobic, but they pressed on, fueled by their curiosity. "Mark, check that out. What are those glowing things on the ground?" Sarah exclaimed, her eyes widening with curiosity. Mark aimed his flashlight toward the strange objects and gasped. "Those are some bizarre-looking eggs, Sarah. I've never seen anything like them before." The eggs emitted a soft, otherworldly glow, captivating their attention. The couple couldn't resist the temptation to investigate further. "They're so captivating, Mark. I wonder what's inside them," Sarah mused with curiosity. "Let's be cautious, Sarah. We don't know what we're dealing with here," Mark cautioned, concern etched on his face. Little did they know, the cave held a dark secret. As they continued their journey, their excitement turned to fear. They soon found themselves disoriented and lost in the labyrinthine tunnels. "Mark, I think we're lost. I can't see an exit anywhere," Sarah whispered, a note of panic in her voice. "Take a deep breath, Sarah. We'll find our way out." "We always do," Mark reassured her. The atmosphere grew heavier as their footsteps echoed through the cave. Suddenly, Sarah felt a peculiar tickling sensation on her leg, and she let out a blood-curdling scream. "Oh my gosh, Mark! Something just touched me. What's happening?" Sarah shrieked, her voice trembling with fear. Mark quickly shone the flashlight towards her, and both of them recoiled in horror. Countless tiny parasites were crawling towards them. "Oh no, Sarah! Those are blood-sucking parasites. We need to get out of here, and fast!" Mark exclaimed. Fear gripped them as the parasites swarmed around, attaching themselves to their skin and sucking their blood. Sarah and Mark fought desperately to shake them off, but the parasites seemed relentless. "They won't let go, Mark. We're running out of time," Sarah cried out, her voice laced with desperation. "Keep fighting, Sarah. We can't give up now. We need to survive," Mark encouraged, his voice filled with determination. Their screams echoed through the cave, a desperate plea for help that went unanswered. With each passing moment, their strength waned, and the parasites seemed to multiply. I can't keep going, Mark. It hurts too much," Sarah whimpered, her voice weak and filled with pain. "Sarah, I love you. We'll get through this together. No matter what," Mark whispered. As their energy dwindled, they witnessed something horrifying. A monstrous queen parasite emerged from the shadows, its jaws lined with razor-sharp teeth. "It's too late, Mark. We're done for," Sarah whispered, her voice filled with resignation. "I love you, Sarah. Always," Mark murmured, his voice fading. The queen parasite approached them slowly, savoring its impending feast. Sarah and Mark could only watch in despair as it devoured them, their last moments filled with excruciating pain. The cave, forever holding their tragic tale, remained shrouded in darkness and silence. It became a haunting reminder of the horrors that awaited those who dared to enter its depths.